Our eyes work non-stop from the moment we wake up until we fall asleep. Whether you're working on a computer, driving, reading, or scrolling through your phone, your eyes are constantly under pressure. Although no single food can restore eyesight or cure eye diseases, a healthy diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants plays an important role in maintaining normal vision and supporting overall eye health. Today, you'll discover 10 nutritious foods that can help nourish your eyes naturally. Many people only think about their eyes when their vision begins to change. However, eye health depends on daily habits, including balanced nutrition, regular eye exams, managing chronic conditions like diabetes, wearing UV protective sunglasses, and limiting excessive screen time. Carrots are one of the most well-known foods associated with eye health. They are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for maintaining normal vision and supporting the surface of the eye. Enjoy carrots raw, roasted, or added to soups and salads. Dark leafy greens such as spinach and kale contain lutein and zeaxanthin, natural pigments found in the retina. They also provide vitamin C and other antioxidants. Including leafy greens several times each week is a simple way to increase your vegetable intake. Fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for overall health. Omega-3 fats contribute to the normal structure of cells throughout the body, including those found in the eyes. Aim to include oily fish once or twice each week if it fits your dietary preferences. Eggs are a nutritious source of protein and also contain lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin A. These nutrients support overall eye health and are easy to include in breakfast, salads, or sandwiches. Oranges and other citrus fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C, which helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Whole fruits also provide fiber and hydration, making them a healthier choice than sugary drinks. Blueberries are rich in colorful plant compounds called anthocyanins. Diets rich in berries are associated with healthy aging and overall wellness. Add blueberries to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a nutritious snack. Almonds provide vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that helps protect cells. A small handful of unsalted almonds makes a satisfying snack and pairs well with fruit or yogurt. Sweet potatoes are another excellent source of beta-carotene. Their bright orange color reflects their high carotenoid content. They are delicious baked, roasted, or mashed. Red, yellow, and orange bell peppers provide vitamin C and carotenoids. They add crunch, color, and nutrients to salads, stir-fries, and sandwiches. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, an essential mineral involved in many functions throughout the body, including supporting normal vision. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, salads, or yogurt for added nutrition. Food is only one part of keeping your eyes healthy. Wear sunglasses that block UV rays, stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and take regular breaks from screens. A simple tip is the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Regular eye checkups are also important, especially if you have diabetes or a family history of eye disease. These 10 foods provide a variety of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants that support overall eye health. The key is variety and consistency. Combine these foods with healthy lifestyle habits to help keep your eyes functioning at their best.